Now, an autopsy conducted following the death of renowned journalist Rita Tinina has revealed that she died of severe pneumonia. Family spokesperson Timothy Njaga, who spoke after the conclusion of the procedure conducted by government pathologist Peter Degwa and family pathologist, said that the family is now satisfied with the results. The family, through their spokesperson, has asked to be accorded privacy to mourn their beloved daughter. Rita Tinina worked with NTV before her demise. She is survived by her 8-year-old daughter.